Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how you can log into your Facebook account and log out from it by using iOS, aka your iPhone. Watch the video till the end so that you'll be able to log into your Facebook account and log out from it by yourself. Moving forward, open your Facebook app. If you have logged into your account previously, you can directly log in from the given icon. You just have to tap on the icon and or type your password. I'm tapping on the icon. But for now, I'm logging into another account, so I am simply pressing back, that is located below the screen. Now to log in another account, tap to log in another account. After you see this page, you can enter your email or phone number related to your account. I'm using my email and typing my password. After you have entered your correct email and password, simply tap on login. But if you have forgotten your password, you can tap forgot password and do the following procedure. Now Facebook will ask you whether you want to save your password or not. I'd like not to save my password. Now you have logged into your Facebook account, you can explore your feed here. To log out your Facebook account, you can see the menu option in the bottom right corner. Tap on the menu option. Now scroll down to the bottom and here you can see the logout option in the very bottom of the page. Now to log out, simply click on logout option. Then Facebook will ask you want to save and log out or don't save or log out. It totally depends on you if you want to save your account or not. For now, I don't like to save my account here, so I'd tap on don't save my account. Now you have logged out from your account. Here you can see my account's icon is popping up. You can go here and log in for the next time. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If this video was helpful for you, do share, like, leave a comment down below and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll get notified when we post new videos.